Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Frank, musician photographer here in the Midwest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your settings so you're compliant with the new regulations that are taking place here on YouTube. Now, definitely not thrilled about it, but I'm going to show you how to do this and then we can talk about it after the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go into your channel and then you want to go to your dashboard. Alright, so now that you're in the dashboard, go to settings. Now under settings you want to go to channel, click on channel, go to advanced settings. Now under advanced settings, this is where you're going to change it. If you are definitely not made for kids content, it's very obvious. You just pick no, set this channel is not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. So for my channel, as an example, that's exactly what I chose. So once you do this, it would go across your entire channel and all your videos. So if you have a lot of videos, then this will cover you entirely for your entire content, and then also covers you for any new content and live streams. Now where it gets complicated, if you do have content that is for kids, then you probably want to do the I want to review the settings of every video, which if you do that, it's just going to take you a little bit longer, and definitely not an expert on that. So there's plenty of videos out there that will show you what that's all about. And if you want to do the yes, the channel is made for kids, you also want to look at all the content that's out there regarding that specific parameter, because there's a lot tied into that and I'm not going to get into the details, but that's exactly how you would do it. So as far as an example, my channel, it was very easy for me just to say no, it's not made for kids. You click on that and it takes care of it. All right. And then you're just going to click save and you're good to go. Alright guys, so I know this is a sticky situation and it's also very complicated for a lot of people. However, there are a lot of platforms and a lot of video and information out there that you can look up that can help you make those choices. And definitely no need for panic. As far as in my opinion, you don't have to panic. So let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about all this. Are you upset about it? Are you okay with it? Do you think this is an easy transition? Let me know what you think. For me, it was a very easy thing to do because of my content. I can just easily do it, but I know that there's a lot of content creators who are going to be in that gray area and it's going to be quite messy. So alright guys, there it is. I hope you found this useful. Let me know if it was helpful to you. Give me some feedback on this. Let me know your thoughts, or if you need further help, reach out to me and I'll be able to link you to some people that can help you. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. I see you're still here. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, consider hitting that bell. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.